In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find drafts in Hootsuite. If you're someone who uses Hootsuite regularly to manage your social media accounts, knowing where to find your drafts can save you a lot of time and make your workflow more efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you like the most. Once your browser is open, type Hootsuite into the search bar and hit Enter. This will take you to the Hootsuite website. Alternatively, if you have it bookmarked, you can just click on the bookmark to access the site directly. Once the Hootsuite homepage loads, the next step is to log in. Enter your credentials, which might be your email and password, or you could use a single sign-on option if it's linked with your other accounts, like Google or Facebook. Logging in will take you to your Hootsuite dashboard, where all your social media accounts are aggregated in one convenient spot. From the dashboard, you're looking for your drafts. Now, you might be wondering where exactly those are hidden. Scroll through the home page and keep an eye out as you make your way towards the bottom. The section labeled Drafts is tucked away near the very bottom of the page. It might be easy to miss if you're not looking for it, but it's there. Once you've found the Drafts section, you'll want to click on View All Drafts to get a more detailed overview. This will open up the Draft section where you can see all the posts you've been working on but haven't yet published. Here, you can review your saved content and make any adjustments before sending it out into the world. When your list of drafts is in front of you, you can hover over any post that you might want to work on. By doing so, a few options will pop up like Edit, Delete, and More Actions. These features are super handy because they allow you to easily manage your drafts without too much back and forth. Selecting Edit will open up the draft and let you make any final touches or updates. Delete will remove any drafts you decide you no longer need. And under More Actions, you might find additional options depending on updates to the platform. So, there you have it, a straightforward guide to finding and managing your drafts in Hootsuite. Remember, having organized drafts can be a lifesaver, especially during busy times when social media scheduling is crucial. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to explore more features on Hootsuite to make the most of your social media management. Happy posting!